Myself Pranav Rani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed BSc Computer Science from SP College Pune and MSc Computer Science from PDG College of Science Pune. This is original video, and today's topic is the sorting techniques in Java, means sorting algorithm in Java. So what is meant by sorting and why it is useful, we will discuss it first. So what is sorting? The sorting is the means technique which is used in the data structure. It is one of the part of data structure which is useful to rearrange the data in a proper manner. Proper manner means it is in the ascending order, or maybe it is in the descending order. But why we need the sorting? If we have unsorted array, we can perform the multiple operation on unsorted array. Let's take scenario. If we have an unsorted array, and we have we have to find nth max element in the array and nth min element in the array. For that, we have to compare the all elements. First we have to find the max, then second max, then third max. We need n number of variable and n number of loops, and it is very time consuming thought to build the logic to find the n max element and min element in the array. For that, if the data is arranging in the ascending or descending order, if the data is arranging in the array is arranging in the ascending order, the first element is the mean element and the last element, length minus one element, is the max element of the array. It is the very, we can find the n max element or the n largest element in the array, and we can perform multiple operation on that once we created the array. It is used in the mini project because it is very useful in the second mini project. Now we will discuss the how sorting techniques are used actually in the Java. There are multiple ways to sort the array, and they have they have different complexity. Complexity is determined by using space complexity and time complexity. Space complexity means if we have one array and we have to sort them, how many iteration we need to sort the array is called as a space complexity. Means we, and how much memory allocation, how much memory allocation is required. For that, it is a space complexity, and how many iteration and how many time is needed to compilation, it is called a space complexity, time complexity. The both complexity are combined, combine the complexity of the algorithm, which is most useful while determining the which sorting technique we want to use in the algorithm. So let's discuss the one by one algorithm. One is the bubble sort. Bubble sort is one of the major sort used in the technique because it is very easy to use. Its coding is very easy. It is like a bubble, because if in the bubble sort, let's take the example. We have unsorted array. We can compare the two elements. One element is I. I is always pointing to 0, and it is proceeding with proceeding. And second element we can take, if I is equal to 0, then second element we can take is which is greater than equal to I, means greater than 1. So we can compare the I and jth element, means we can compare the 1 and second most element in the array, and for that, in the number of iterations we perform the that operation and we got the sorted array. Now the next one is the merge sort. In the merge sort, merging, the meaning of merge is merging of array. For the merging at array, we have to divide it first. For the merge sort, we need to divide the array into two categories. First, we have to find the half array. We can take the element half is equal to original array divided by 2. If we have array in the 9th element, the half is 4, and 1 is created separated. That 4 element also divided into 2, and that 2 element also divided by 1, and the sorting is there in the mini merge, and all the combined merge is we are getting the ascending or descending array. Now the heap array. Heap array is the technique in the use binary tree technique and sorting technique used in the combine. For performing the operation of heap array, we have to find the max heap. To find the max heap, is the heap which parents nodes have greater value than children nodes. Means if we have parents name, that parents less than 9, and we have to perform the all the searching techniques. And next one is bucket sort. In the bucket sort, we sort the array in terms of bucket, and one bucket is compared to the all the buckets in the array. Once the all buckets are sorted, the array, we get the sorted array. Later all this one more is selection sort, the insertion sort is there. That are the all this sorting techniques in Java. Thank you.